Mesothelioma, a rare and aggressive cancer caused by exposure to asbestos. It's a devastating diagnosis that shatters lives and leaves families in turmoil. Behind the scenes of this quiet suffering lies the fight for justice and compensation. The reason why a mesothelioma law firm is a high CPC keyword. When a loved one is diagnosed with mesothelioma, families often turn to the internet for answers, support, and legal guidance. The search begins, and with each click, the true cost of asbestos exposure unfolds. But why is mesothelioma law firm one of the most expensive keywords in the world of online advertising? The cost per click, CPC, for the mesothelioma law firm is high because the legal process for mesothelioma cases is complex and demanding. The emotional weight of these cases demands exceptional legal representation, and it takes a specialized mesothelioma law firm to navigate the intricacies of these lawsuits successfully. Mesothelioma cases require extensive research, expert testimonies, and vast medical knowledge. Each case must be built with precision and sensitivity, taking into account the unique circumstances of the affected individual. The emotional perspective of these cases is heart-wrenching. Families are left grappling with the pain of witnessing their loved ones suffering, while also dealing with the financial burden of medical expenses and lost income. Asbestos companies, often aware of the dangers, chose to put profits over people, and innocent lives paid the price. A mesothelioma law firm stands as the last line of defense, fighting for justice against corporate negligence. These law firms invest their time, resources, and expertise to ensure that those affected by asbestos exposure receive fair compensation and a chance to secure their family's future. If you or a loved one is suffering from mesothelioma, don't face it alone. Reach out to a compassionate and experienced mesothelioma law firm. They will be your voice, your support, and your advocate in the fight for justice. Together, we can raise awareness about the devastating effects of asbestos exposure, and honor the bravery of those who fight this silent battle every day. Let us stand together, united against corporate negligence, and ensure that the pursuit of justice and compensation remains unyielding for those affected by mesothelioma. Mesothelioma Law Firm, restoring hope, one case at a time.